At Dreamforce 2019 event, Salesforce launched Salesforce Evergreen, a Kubernetes-based serverless environment that runs inside the Salesforce CRM platform. With Evergreen, Salesforce extended its platform capabilities by delivering a reliable way to build rich and engaging digital experiences for customers, partners, and employees. Salesforce Evergreen is the newest addition to the Customer 360 platform that uses serverless functions based on fully managed Kubernetes, support for open programming languages, and high-performance data stores. Evergreen supports technologies and architectural models that enable development teams to deal with the workload faster and be more productive at work. This means developers would now be able to utilize functions written in the proprietary Apex programming language and created in open-source languages such as Node, JS and Java. With the inception of Evergreen, the code can run as serverless functions and microservices in Evergreen, facilitated by full native access to Salesforce data and functions. The introduction of the new Customer Information Model (CIM) is an important step in simplifying integration between different applications. MuleSoft plays an important role in creating models using an open standard modeling language called Anything Modeling Language (AML). In the near future, digital teamwork tools would play an increasingly important role in managing work across organizations, with some workers able to request access applications and teamwork tools such as Slack and Microsoft Teams. It is worthwhile to note here that a recent update to Quip had facilitated the integration to Salesforce's point-and-click workflow automation tools so that better collaboration could happen inside Salesforce. Need help with custom Salesforce admin and development projects? Contact cloudanalogy now at +1 415 830 3899 or email us at info@cloudanalogy.com. Please hit like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.